long been my hangover cure of choice. Now, the key thing about this is the temperature, because there's no ice in this drink, so you need cold base ingredients. So we're going to put in half a glass of cold lager. We're then going to spice this with some kind of traditional Bloody Mary-esque spices. So we're going with Worcester sauce, some hot sauce, some lemon juice, and a premium tomato juice. So we're going to throw that in there like that. Okay, add a touch of salt and pepper. Salt, pepper, and then obviously it wouldn't be a red eye without a raw egg. So we're going to crack that straight in, like so. There we are. Now this drink obviously is something of a tonic, so this is supposed to rejuvenate you in the morning. So it's not supposed to be sipped and savoured, it's supposed to be got rid of quickly. Done that. Tremendous. I feel better already.